Hey guys, Red Mono Review here with you. Today we're looking at the Kobalt 227 piece toolkit. I'll tell you some of the pros and cons that I like about it. Everyone complains about this box. It does suck. Up in this top drawer, see if I can pan it up. That top drawer, it's got your wrenches, some of your impact sockets for your 1/4" driver, spark plug wrenches, screwdriver bits, and nut driver and screwdriver. And then also underneath here you've got your ratchet wrenches, 3" extensions on 1/4", 3/8. You got a 6" extension 2 for 3/8 and a 3" for 1/2". Some of the things that I don't like about it is this. I don't know how good all the ratchets are, but this ratchet going in reverse skips teeth. So you see that? It's not turning. So I'm gonna have to take that back to Lowe's and see what they do for that. I've never warrantied anything with them. It comes with a set of Allen wrenches, both SAE and metric, and then you got these mini wrenches too, both SAE and metric. And you come down into these sockets. You get deep wall and shallow sockets. Let's see if I can get these better. So all the red are SAE standard, the blue are metric. It's got pretty much all the sizes. It does skip a few, like, and another thing I found out. So it come with two 9mm instead of an 11 in the socket set. So I'll have to call Kobalt and see what they'll do for that. So it goes 9, 10, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So that should give you a full, pretty much the full set, and 8mm here. So you have an 8mm. And it does come with 6-point, 12-point sockets. Another thing I don't like about it is you can see that the case has come undone. So the case is really bad. And the drawers are hard to pull out too. When you pull the drawers out, it just separates the case. And here's the other set of sockets it comes with. So in 1/2" you got 14, 15, 17, it skips 16, 18, 19, 21, 22, which 16 I use quite a bit because it's similar to a 5/8. And then here's your 1/4" sockets, deep. And on the 1/4" you go 4, 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's as high as it goes in 1/4". And then this bottom drawer is just nothing. The drawers you can, I think, swap out. So you put the top one in the bottom if you want. So you can move them however you'd like. So that's a look at the Kobalt tool set I just got. So they're $100 from Lowe's. I'll let you guys know how the ratchet change out goes, but I think it shouldn't be any problem. I think it'll be a pretty decent set to have with me on rides and stuff. Red Mono Review out. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.